Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the TalkUp English Channel. My name is Brian.
And I'm Chloe. Hello, everyone. We are so happy you are here with us tonight.
Yes, so happy. Hi, Chloe. How are you today?
Hi, Brian. I'm great, thank you. I had a very good day. And you, how are you?
I'm very good, thank you, but I am a little hungry.
Me too. Thinking about food is making me hungry.
That is perfect because today our topic is food.
Yay, my favorite topic. We will talk about food, how to say you like food, and, very important, how to order food in a cafe or a restaurant.
Exactly. It is very useful for your daily life. But before we start, please help our channel grow. Click the like button, subscribe to our channel, and share this episode with your friends and family.
Yes, please do. It helps us a lot. Okay, Brian, are you ready to talk about food?
I am so ready. Let's start with the basics. What is food, Chloe? Let's give some examples.
Good question. Food is what we eat. For example, an apple is food. A banana is food.
Yes, bread is food, cheese is food, rice is food. These are all simple words for different foods.
And we also have drinks. Water is a drink. Juice is a drink. Milk is a drink.
Perfect. So we eat food and we drink drinks. Now, we have special meals during the day. In the morning, we have a meal. What is it called, Chloe?
In the morning, we eat breakfast. B-R-E-A-K-F-A-S-T. Breakfast. It's the first meal of the day.
That's right. What do you like for breakfast, Chloe?
For breakfast, I like cereal with milk. It's easy and yummy. What about you, Brian? What do you like for breakfast?
I like toast and eggs for breakfast and a big cup of tea.
Oh, toast and eggs are delicious. Okay, so after breakfast, in the middle of the day, around noon, we have lunch.
Yes, lunch. L-U-N-C-H. For lunch, many people eat a sandwich or a salad.
Yes, a sandwich is very popular for lunch. I like a chicken sandwich.
A chicken sandwich is very good. I like soup for lunch, especially when it's cold.
Soup is a great idea for lunch. And then in the evening, we have the last big meal of the day. We have dinner.
Dinner. D-I-N-N-E-R. Dinner is the evening meal. What do you like for dinner, Chloe?
For dinner, I like pasta, or maybe some chicken with vegetables and rice. It's a nice big meal.
That sounds delicious. I like fish and potatoes for dinner. So we have breakfast in the morning, lunch in the middle of the day, and dinner in the evening.
Exactly. Those are the three main meals. Now, Brian, how do we talk about the taste of food? For example, if the food is very, very good.
Great question. You can say it's good, or if it is very good, you can say delicious. D-E-L-I-C-I-O-U-S.
Delicious. Yes, I love that word. Or a fun, simple word is yummy. My pizza is yummy.
Yummy. I like that. Y-U-M-M-Y. My ice cream is yummy. Okay, what about other tastes? For example, sugar or cake. Cake has a lot of sugar, so we say it is sweet. S-W-E-E-T. An apple can be sweet too.
Yes, sweet. And what about the opposite, like chips or pretzels? They are not sweet. They are
salty. S-A-L-T-Y. Salty. I like salty snacks.
Me too. Okay, 2 more very important words. Soup is usually
hot. H-O-T. Be careful, the soup is hot, and coffee is hot too.
good one. And the opposite of hot is cold. C-O-L-D. Ice cream is cold. Water from the refrigerator is cold.
Perfect. So we have delicious, yummy, sweet, salty, hot, and cold. These are great words to describe food.
Yes, very useful. Now, let's talk about liking food. How do we say we like something?
It's very simple. You just say, I like, and then the food. For example, I like chocolate.
I like chocolate too. I can also say, I like strawberries. Or if you like it very, very much, you can say, I love. For example, I love pizza.
Oh, everybody loves pizza. Yes, I love pizza is great. Now, what if you do not like a food?
Then you say, I don't like. For example, I don't like very spicy food.
Me neither. I can say, I don't like olives. It's simple. I like for yes, I don't like for no.
Now, how do we ask a question? If I want to know if you like apples, what do I say?
You ask, do you like apples? The question starts with, do you like?
Okay, so Chloe, do you like apples?
Yes, I do. It's a short, easy answer. Yes, I do.
Perfect. And if the answer is no, let me ask another one. Chloe, do you like coffee?
No, I don't. See, the short answer is no, I don't. I like tea.
Great job. So you can ask, do you like? And you can answer, yes, I do, or no, I don't. This is a fantastic way to have a conversation about food.
Yes, it is. You can practice with a friend. Do you like bread? Yes, I do. Do you like fish? No, I don't. It's great practice.
Okay, Brian, I think we are ready for the big challenge. We are hungry. We are thirsty. Let's go to a restaurant.
Yes, let's go. Okay, so we are in a cafe or a restaurant. We sit at a table. What is the first thing we need?
We need to see the food options. We need a menu. M-E-N-U. The menu is a list of all the food and drinks.
Right. So a waiter or waitress comes to your table. But if they are busy, you might need to get their attention. You can raise your hand a little and say, "Excuse me."
Excuse me? That is a very polite and important phrase. Then you can ask for the menu. You can say, "Can I have the menu, please?"
Let's say that slowly. Can I have the menu, please? The word please is very important. It is very polite.
Very, very important. Always use please and thank you. Okay, so the waiter gives us the menu. We look at the menu. The salad looks good. The pasta looks yummy.
And the waiter comes back. He or she might ask, are you ready to order?
And if you are ready, you can say, yes, I am ready to order. Or if you are with a friend, yes, we are ready to order. Perfect.
Now the magic phrase for ordering food. It's polite and everyone uses it. You say, I would like.
I would like. Yes, it's much better than saying I want. I would like is more polite. For example, I would like the chicken sandwich.
Exactly. And don't forget, please, I would like the chicken sandwich, please.
Okay, let's practice this. Let's do a little role play. I will be the customer, and you, Chloe, can be the waiter.
Okay, I'm ready. Hello, welcome to our cafe. Are you ready to order?
Hello, yes, I am. I would like the soup, please.
The vegetable soup. An excellent choice. And to drink.
I would like a glass of water, please.
Okay, so that is 1 vegetable soup and 1 water. Anything else for you today?
No, thank you. That's all.
Wow, Brian, that was perfect. A+ for you.
Thank you, Chloe. You are a great waiter. Did everyone hear those phrases? I would like the soup. I would like a glass of water.
And I asked, anything else? That means, do you want more things? And your answer was perfect. No, thank you.
Great. So we order the food, we eat the food. It was delicious. Now the meal is finished. We need to pay.
That's right. You need to ask for the bill. In the UK and many places, it's called the bill. In the US, it's often called the check. Both are okay.
So you get the waiter's attention again. Excuse me. And then you say, can I have the bill, please?
Can I have the bill, please? Or can I have the check, please? Let's say it again slowly. Can I have the bill, please?
The waiter brings the bill, you look at the price, you have your money or your credit card ready. When you give it to the waiter, you can say, "Here you are."
Yes, here you are. It's a simple, polite phrase when you give something to someone.
The waiter takes the payment, then you can say, "Thank you." And when you leave the restaurant, you can say, "Thank you, goodbye."
And that's it. You did it. You ordered food in English. That's amazing.
It seems like a lot of steps, but they are all very simple. Let's do one more big role play from the beginning to the end. Are you ready, Chloe?
I am ready. This time, I will be the customer. You can be the waiter, Brian.
Okay. As a friendly waiter, hello, welcome. A table for one?
Yes, please. Just for me.
Right this way. Here is your menu. I will be back in a minute to take your order.
Thank you. Okay, I'm ready.
Hello again. Are you ready to order?
Yes, I am. I would like the pasta with tomatoes, please.
A great choice. And would you like anything to drink?
Yes. Can I have an apple juice, please?
Of course. So that is 1 pasta with tomatoes and 1 apple juice. Is that correct?
Yes, that's correct. Thank you.
You're welcome. Your food will be ready soon. He leaves and comes back later. Here is your food. Enjoy your meal.
Thank you. It looks delicious. Yummy. Okay. Excuse me.
Yes? How was everything?
It was wonderful. Thank you. Can I have the bill, please?
Certainly. Here you are.
Thank you. Okay, here you are.
Thank you very much. Here is your card and your receipt. Have a nice day.
Thank you. You too. Goodbye.
And scene. Chloe, that was amazing. You were a perfect customer.
Thank you, Brian. You were a very polite waiter. You see, everyone, we used all the phrases. I would like, can I have, please, and thank you.
Exactly. The most important thing is to be polite and smile. Even if your English is not perfect, people will be happy to help you.
That is so true. Politeness is a universal language. Don't be afraid to try. It's okay to make mistakes. That's how we learn.
Wow, that was a lot of information, but so useful for daily life. I'm even more hungry now.
Me too. I think I would like a big pizza for dinner tonight.
That sounds like a great plan. Okay, everyone, that is almost all the time we have for today. We hope this episode was helpful for you.
Yes, remember the key phrases. I like, I don't like, do you like, and when ordering, I would like and can I have, and always be polite.
That's right. Before we go, please don't forget to subscribe to the TalkUp English channel and share this podcast with someone who's learning English.
Yes, and please leave us a comment below. For today's comment, tell us what food do you like? Write in the comments, I like, and then your favorite food. For example, I like bananas or I like pasta. We would love to read your answers.
What a great idea! We can't wait to see what food you all like. Thank you so much for listening today.
Thank you, everyone. Keep practicing, and we will see you in the next episode. Bye-bye.
Bye for now.